In the Netherlands you find cars getting some gas, and in Sweden you have snowmobiles. So this is our last stop here in Sweden. We're heading back to Norway. We're going to the Lofoten. Let's go. Oh, yo! Yeah, there is a car in front of us. What the hell? It's invisible. That's why the snowstorm. And we are going to leave Sweden and we're going to enter Norway. Sweden, thank you very much for the great experience. It was super fun. It was amazing. But now it's time to the second part of this trip. We're heading to the Lofoten. And this is the customs, the border. And we crossed the customs. Oh, this guy is also going to stop here. I think he's going to make pictures just like us of this beautiful, beautiful sign right in front of us. It says Norway. Let's see it. Zaid wants to make a picture of the Norway sign, but there is so much snow on the sign that he can't take the picture. I think he's going to stand on the snow so the snow will go a little bit down. Let's see what he's going to do. What is he doing? Yeah. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Thank you very much, Zaid. Now we can make pictures. Let's go. Oh, look at this. It's all white. And it's freezing cold. What up, snowman? Oh. Zaid is official in Norway. Or in Sweden. Your belly is in Sweden and your ass is in Norway. Oh shit. Let's see. I want to go to Norway also. Woo-ha! And we are here, officially in Norway, for the second part of our road trip. We're going to the Lofoten. How do you say Lofoten? Lofoten? Lofoten! That sounded original, huh? Lofoten. Lofoten. Herden. Oh, this mountain. It's beautiful. Look all the snow. This looks like a fairy tale. And we have just arrived in Norway, in the beginning of the Lofoten. And this is our room for tonight. Bogen Hostel. As you can see, the name hostel will give you a very different view of what this is. But I'm going to show you what kind of hostel we have. There's a shower here, a toilet there, but we're not gonna use it. This is our room, number 1. Welcome, people. Welcome to our hostel. On the left side, we can eat some dinner. We can eat some McDonald's or Burger King. We have a kitchen with everything. We have a bathroom. See? and a toilet. Everything is inside. We have a, how do you say this in English? We say magnetron. I don't know how to say this in English. I'm sorry, guys. And there is a little bit of view from here. This is beautiful. Wow. Look at this. Gonna do it again. And I've ordered 2 beds, and then she gave me this 3rd bed with a, how do you say mattress? Mattress maybe. It sounds English. But we already have 2 beds, 2 small ones. So maybe I'm gonna put this up in the night to sleep on it. So I will let Zaid sleep on this one over here. And then there is this, a nice and cozy sitting place or a small living room with an absolute amazing view on this lake or ocean. This is an ocean, it's not a lake, because it's connected to the ocean. And look at the sunset. Wow. Look at this. I think today we are not gonna drive to find the northern lights, but just wait inside this beautiful room, because the best pictures of the northern lights is just here. The view from our room is just perfect, and that means that I have to drink a Coca-Cola while I'm sitting and enjoying the view. So we left all the drinks inside the car because it's very, very cold here. So the drinks are also stay cold. Zaid doesn't want to drink a cola, so this is just for me. So let's get inside and enjoy the sunset while drinking my Coca-Cola. Look at Zaid's drone. Ik denk dat hij hier wilt zitten, zodat hij zichzelf vanuit daar kan opnemen. Copycat, hij doet mij na. Ik hoor hem al komen. Wedden? Daar is hij hoor.
Dat er een boot eraan komt.
Ja, ik zag het al. Ik was hem al aan het filmen. Ik had hem al...
vliegen komen zij eraan.
Oh, die boot! Ik dacht dat je gewoon je drone bedoelde.
Nee,
wow!
man.
Hé maat, film die boot,
Ja,
gek!
kijk, dit is een legere ding of zo.
Ja, daarom. Gewoon land op die boot, schieten wat raketten op die boot. Wauw!
Dus die is gelijk kapot.
Wauw, vet hè?
Vet toch?
While Zaid was filming with his drone, this military ship came to see what's going on. They're searching for the drone right now, and Zaid is controlling the drone, and he put some rockets on the drone, so if the ship is going to fire something, we will fire back. This is Norway versus Morocco. Zaid, fire the drone! Wow. Oh my god. He's going to attack the ship.